When I see what happened to our brother, Anthony Joshua, do you understand me? Ọ nọ ebe ọ nọ na ọrụ onwe ya ọfụma, ọ nata Nigeria, ịbịa for holiday with his two friends. I think that the two friends they train him or what, or I think so. Now you are seeing the video of the truck where their car run into. Do you understand me? This may be out of careless, or maybe they are having conversation, or maybe overspeed. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nigeria. You see, sometimes if you would talk about our system, some of you are not going to understand that. Do you understand me? And it baffles me that even the rich people no one care, no send you whatever that is happening, they don't care. You understand? But they fail to understand that no matter what, how big you are in this country, Nigeria can happen to you in one way or the other. I am not going to social media, I know na mmadụ na-emepe the escort ya were egbe gbara ya debe n'ala. Nigeria, bad system. Failures of government. Did you understand me? Ọ bụrụ na a functionable society, gwa m how many days truck nwere ike park n'ụzọ, a park ya by the roadside or nọrọ ebe ahụ without government taxing the owner of that vehicle. I don't know if you get my point. All our government ya dey eme the necessary thing ka ị ga-eji wee na-anụ mana Lagos ọ na-akata ịnọ na truck double people, truck will just fall on top of keke, fall on top of taxi, fall on top of Marwa, or fall on top of bus and buy a lot of people because of Guinea. There is no leadership. Do you understand me? No road safety. Our road safety are not in the road. They don't have the offices or their bus stop on the road to checkmate how people drive, the speed kilometer they're supposed to run. Do you understand me? All these things are not functioning. And when the accident happen, no emergency, no ambulance. Get one bony na get money kita jugodo onwe gi as a big man ebo kita in our village. If something unexpectedly happen to you, kedu emergency nwere ike ịkpọnụ ga-abịa within 10 minutes or even 20 minutes to rescue you. Something like that, I don't know. But you will see some of our people on this social media praising people that cannot protect life and property because unafa na-achọ appointment, because unafa na-achọ ka notice ever. And I put an ekwu the thing ebe anụ